All right, this is what we're doing at work. So what that is there's a 72-inch storm sewer under there, along with well, anyway, the storm sewer is broken, and we're digging all this up to fix it. And what you see right here, this is called a well point. It's where you have a giant manifold, probably like a, I don't know, like 8-inch or 12-inch pipe, and it's got all these smaller ports that's tunneled beneath the ground, maybe like 20 feet. And then there's a giant pump right there that's sucking all the water out and drawing the water down, so that way we could dry up the area and work. All right, so this right here, this is a casing, the pressurized casing that is mounted on top of the backhoe to drill these holes for the well points.
Yeah, but let's call it a well point.
Yes, and Stern put it more eloquently. This is a well point punch, and not just a stuff thingy.
That's why you're good.
But even when it was sitting in there,
So what we're removing right now is actually the French drain system. This is the barrel inside the French drain. You can see the rocks and the landscape fabric that used to wrap it. So this system probably hasn't been functioning at its optimal capacity. Now we have to have that removed so that way we can access the 72-inch pipe that's right here, just to the left of it. All right, so here again is another shot of the French drain. You can see the outside of the landscape fabric bag right here, and that's the rock envelope, and the pipe sat in here, and we pulled the pipe out. So this system is not working well, but it is working. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull all this out, and the 72-inch conveyance is actually on the left-hand side over here. So that way we could take a part of this 72-inch pipe out that is compromised and replace it. And then we'll come back to the right-hand side to restore the French drain that's over here. And it terminates into that wall right there. All right, we're looking at the box that where the French drain terminates into, and as you can see, it's pretty well congested. So part of the reason maybe because, yeah, there's really no access to clean this structure. There is a double manhole vault over here, but you know, in order to properly clean this thing, there should be an access hatch right above it.